Hi everyone, it's Rian from Art Deco Design and Organize. The dresser is now done. I'm very proud of this, it looks really good. The tables are now done, and I'm going to show you how we did it. One of Abby's design philosophy is to add some industrialness in this room. However, this desk doesn't give off that vibe. So what we did instead is we painted it black just to make it congruent to the whole design idea of the room. By the way, I don't have any footage of me painting it black, but here's a video of me priming it. Our next mission is repurposing these items to complete this office area. Our creative minds cannot wait to show you how we turn this seemingly normal vases that you normally see in your living room into a dome for our custom lighting. So it's definitely going to make an impact because this colors are very congruent. So this is originally black, so this is perfect. And this one, this was actually silver, and we painted this rose gold to be congruent to this room's overall design. So this is gonna give you a hint of how this room will turn out to be. So without further ado, let's do it. This used to be a candle holder, and this became a very good candidate to install this lighting kit. However, this one doesn't have a hole in it, so we have to make a hole for this light kit to fit. To make things efficient, what I'm going to do is, because this is the exact mirror of how I want it to look like, I'm just going to put this just like this. I'm going to grab Sharpie and I'm going to draw a line. So there's there. Here. So there's a circle there. And what we're going to do is cut it. Voila! Here you go. We're good to go. Now the marriage. I guess we can call it that way, hey? Whatever. So let's put. I should have unraveled this earlier, but oh well. I'm already in the middle of the game. Can't back down. Voila. Do you see this? This is gonna be the next ceiling light. Look how it looks like. And look at this one. Doesn't it look good? This one has a little bit of a problem in it. It's not even, but we're gonna make it work. But again, this gives you an idea of how awesome this room is gonna be. There's this masculine side and feminine side. We're gonna combine it together, and it's gonna definitely wow you on how the room will turn out to be. Now just look on how this office turned out to be. I appreciate Abby's design idea. I love the ceiling lights. It does create such great emphasis to the room and obviously to the space as well. By the way, there's a big reason why we use white lights for the office area The reason why is we cannot make a moody office area because it will not evoke any good production in that space. We are done with part 2. Now we're going to part 3, and that is the moment that we will show you the full transformation. So stay tuned.